Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch. And this smartwatch do have a cool feature, that is the security or password lock feature for this smartwatch. As you can see here on the settings, we do have a pin, okay, option. So this one, okay, you can set your own pin, at least 6 numbers, that will serve as a security feature for your smartwatch, so nobody can access this smartwatch without the pin, okay, the pin code. If you are interested to see if how the pin code or security pin for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite works, and you also want to know if how you can set it, watch this video. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and set our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Let's add a pin code. Okay, as you can see here, when you access the smartwatch, there's no security pin code. Okay, so if you want to have one, just go to the settings, okay, or you can also access it here on the bottom part. Tap on this one, go to the pin section and tap on set pin. Okay, new pin. For example, we will put 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have set your pin. Okay, you can also turn off the pin or change the pin. Okay, later on we are going to try that. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, once the screen turned off, as you can see, there's a lock section here. Okay, then let's press the power button. Let's see if we can access. As you can see here, to be able to access the main menus and other features here on the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, you have to enter the pin to unlock. Okay, in our case, 1 2. Okay, let's see if we made a mistake. Incorrect. Again, incorrect. Okay, let's put the correct pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let's see. Okay, so change the pin. Go again to the settings, tap on pin section, change pin, enter the previous pin or enter a new pin. I think, let's say we are going to use the 1. Where's the pin section? Change pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you have to encode the first pin first. 3 4 5 6. New pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4. Oops. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again, settings. Let's go to the pin section, change pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have set our new pin. Okay, and go back. Let's wait. It will auto lock in several seconds, at least 5. Okay, as you can see, there's a lock sign. Enter pin to unlock. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, to remove the pin, go again to the settings, pin, then turn off pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Pin turned off. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, there's no more pin. So that's it on how to set a pin lock for your Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch. Very easy, very useful, and easy to follow or easy to set up. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the video tutorial, drop a comment below, and again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.